Hello everyone, we are the students of SNS College of Pharmacy and Health Science pursuing first year B Pharm. I am Yamuna. I am going to explain about BMC, which is one of 5 pillars of SNS. I am going to explain about BMC of Cipla Limited. Cipla Limited is an Indian pharmaceutical company headquartered in Mumbai. Established in 1935, Cipla is a global pharmaceutical company focused on responsible and sustainable growth through deep and wide portfolio and strong customer relationship across home markets of India, South Africa, US and other key regulated and emerging markets. Cipla has 34 manufacturing units in 8 locations across India and presence in over 80 countries. Exports accounted for 48%, rupees 4,948 crore. The primary focus areas for R&D were development of new formulations, drug delivery systems and APIs. Cipla also cooperates with other enterprises in areas such as consulting, commissioning, engineering, project appraisal, quality control, know-how transfer, support, and plant supply. Cipla primarily develops medicines to treat respiratory, cardiovascular disease, arthritis, diabetes, weight control, and depression and other medical conditions like the strengthens in respiratory, antiretroviral, urology, cardiology, and central nervous system segments are well known. Their 46 manufacturing facilities around the world produce 50 plus dosage forms and 1500 plus products using cutting edge technology platforms to cater their 80 plus markets. Cipla ranked third largest in pharma in India and third largest in pharma private market in South Africa.
Warehousing. Cipla uses the latest in pharmaceutical technology to funnel 7 decades of experiences into one capsule that cures, one drop that defends, and one puff that protects. They explore every drug to its last particle and instill safe and sure healing to create one dose of confidence. Inventory is a list for goods and materials or those goods and materials themselves held available in stock by a business. In accounting, inventory is considered an asset. Products and services. Cipla sells active pharmaceutical ingredients to other manufacturers as well as pharmaceutical and personal care products, including escitalopram, lamivudine, and fluticasone propionate. They are the world's largest manufacturer of antiretroviral drugs. In July 2020, the company announced the introduction of Gilead Sciences Remdesivir under the brand name Cipremi in India after reaching the voluntary licensing agreement with parent company and DCGI approval for restricted emergency use in COVID-19 treatment of critical confirmed patients.
Generic drugs. In the late 1960s, Cipla began manufacturing a new patented drug, propranolol, without the permission of drugs patent holder Imperial Chemical Industries, which protested to the Indian government. The CEO of Cipla reached the government of Indira Gandhi to change India's patent laws to eliminate patents that directly covered drugs and instead to allow only patents that covered methods to make drugs so that Cipla could go ahead and produce as many low priced generic drugs for the poor as possible. Since then, Cipla has also produced a low cost drug to treat HIV and expanded operations into several developing countries, including African nations where most HIV and poor patients existed at one time. But the changes made lead to criticism of both India's patent laws and Cipla.
Industrial analysis. In the domestic market, Cipla continued to maintain its leadership position in various therapeutic segments, including respiratory, antivirals, gynecology, and urology for the period 2012 to 2013. The company's domestic business constitutes -45% of its total revenues. Currently, it commands 5.7% market share in domestic pharmaceutical space. The growth in domestic revenues was largely on account of growth in anti-asthma, antibiotics, and cardiovascular therapy segments. Its domestic business has grown at a CAGR of 10% over the last 5 years.
Successful inventory management in Cipla. At Cipla, successful inventory management involve balancing the cost of inventory with benefit of inventory. They undertake following steps: maintaining a wide assortment of stocks but not spreading the rapidly moving ones too thin, increasing inventory turnover but not sacrificing the service level, keeping stock low but not sacrificing the service of performance, obtaining power price by making volume purchase but not ending with a slow moving inventory, having an adequate inventory on land but not getting caught with absolute item. Thank you.